Model, 70-plate Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L3H2 BlueHDi 140 Enterprise Injector MISFIRE. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 69,625. MOT, the 29th of September 2024. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight misfire. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, sat-nav, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear.